What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, it's Andre. I got a brand new video for you. This one is jam-packed. So make sure you grab a pen, grab a paper. You need to follow this method and in order for it to work, because if you don't, it's not going to work. And I'm going to share with you how you can earn $65 in less than 1 hour. Doing this method, this is how you can make some money fast. I know there's a lot of people always messaging me and say, hey, I want to find a way how to make money without no investment. So this that I'm going to share with you, it doesn't require any money. You can do this any time of day, and 1 hour is all you need to put in the work, and you can get the results that you want. If you don't apply this the right way, it's not my fault. It's definitely on yours. So make sure you follow the step-by-step that I'm going to share with you in this video. And if it's your first time here, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Andre, and I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and just different ways that I can share my knowledge with you so you can go out there and you can crush it. So I don't want to take up too much of your time. Let's jump into the method right away. So for my regular subscribers, thank you so much for watching my videos over and over again. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments, because I know there's a ton of YouTubers out there. They make a lot of videos, but when people have questions, they don't reply, they don't answer, they don't engage. For me, I like to help people. So any questions you have, just make sure you drop them in the comments, and I can answer as many questions as possible, and I can give you the best answer. If I don't have the answer, I'll point you in the right direction. And if I don't know, I'll say, man, I don't know, because I don't know everything. I'm not Google. So this is my YouTube channel. I have a lot of videos on here. So come through here and just scroll through. So earn up to $65 in less than 1 hour. So make money online. This is super fast. You got to do it the right way. So the method I'm going to share with you is, I want you to first to sign up. You're going to come over to bluehost.com. Bluehost is a website that hosts, it's a website that do hosting for other websites, right? So you can get like a free domain, free SL certificate included, one-click word install, 24-hour support team. So people are going to sign up for this for $3.95 per month. So when they sign up for $3.95 per month, what's going to happen? You're going to get $65 for the initial sign up. I'm going to share with you how you're going to do this in order to execute it. So an hour per day, if you do this the right way, it can work. Now, I'm not going to sit up here and say, well, you're going to do it the first day, do 1 hour, and then boom, you're going to make money. No, you're going to put the work in. So it's something that you have to practice. But you can do an hour per day to do this, and you can make money right away. So if you come here in the where the get started area, if you want to be an affiliate for this company, all you have to do is just scroll all the way down here at the bottom. So if you scroll down here, you could see all the different features that they offer. I highly recommend you take your time, just go through it. So that way you know exactly what it is that you're talking about. You know, if someone asks you questions, you can refer to them like right away. So click on down here where it says affiliates. And then once you click on affiliates, you say join the affiliate team. Refer visitors to Bluehost and earn $65 for each qualified sign-up. So if they go through the sign-up process and they do it the right way, you're going to earn 65 bucks. So in less than an hour, you can make some money. So it could be even simpler. And you can even crank this out on a day-to-day basis if you want to do it also. So you click down here and you click on the sign-up button. Once you click on the sign-up button, you're going to put a username that you want to use. Password, of course. You want to put your password in, put your full name, first name, last name, put your phone number, company. You don't have a company. If you do have a company, put it in there. Street address, make sure this is right, because what country, make sure you put your right country in. This can be done worldwide, I do believe. So there's a lot of different countries in here that you can come and you could sign up and you could get started right away. They don't care. As long as you have a PayPal account, you're going to be ready to get paid immediately. So make sure you put your email address, primary URL. I don't know, you probably want to put a primary URL so they can contact you, right? Make sure you put your PayPal address in here. And once you click down here, You click on the agree, you sign up right away. So once you sign up, you're going to be issued an affiliate link. So an affiliate link, once a person click on it, you're not going to get paid when they click on it, but you will get paid once they complete the sign up process. Meaning they take out their credit card or their PayPal or whatever payment method, and then once they pay that $3.95, then boom, you're going to make $65. So how are you going to find these people? Now, you can use Instagram, you can use YouTube, you can use Twitter, you can use Snapchat, all these type of stuff. But I'm going to share with you 2 specific websites that you can go that people are looking for. They just need help. A lot of people want to learn how to create their website, and a lot of people want to start their blog, but they don't know where to go. That's the first thing. They're like, how do I do that? So if you do have a Twitter account, this is going to be great. If you don't have one, you could create one. It's simple, it's free. Sign up for it. Once you sign up for it, what I just did, I did a little bit of homework before I come in here. So you want to do how to make a blog. Once you type in how to make a blog and exclamation sign, you just click search. Once you click on search, you could just scroll through here and you could see the latest stuff. Now, look at this person right here. This is 2 days ago. I have my very last school project under work, and I just need to do the very last few things to finish. Oh my goodness, what's wrong with me tonight? Then they posted how to make a blog post, right? Because that's what most of the teachers now. These are people that are basically doing the same thing that we're doing, but they're putting it on a platform, right? How to design your blog, all the type of stuff, step-by-step blog for beginners. People are probably using this as backlink just to go back to their YouTube channel because you can use it as well. Blogging tutorial for beginners, you can also do that as well. That's what people are doing, is just getting backlinks from Twitter and all that kind of stuff. Now, want to learn how to do a blog. Now, if you come through here, once I figure out how to do a blog, it's all over for you fools. So I would like this, and I'll be like, let me just drop it right here. Blogging is great. You can make money with it. You have a platform that you are thinking about using, right? So you're asking a question, you're striking a conversation. You're not going to go boom, and then you just slap the link, right? So you just send that. I'm going to send that right now and see if they're going to, it's like you're fishing. You throw out the bait, see if the fish is going to bite, right? This is embarrassing, but I'm just wondering if you could help me make a playlist. I really don't know how to make a blog in Thriller. All right, you could do the same thing here. Scroll down. Last year, a remarkable blog post from concerning how to make a blog in WordPress, I believe. I need to read it again. If you can send me the link to the post, I will be thankful. To be honest, it inspired me to do a lot of things now. This right here, I'll be like, do you know what blogging platform you will like to use? Right? Strike a conversation. Boom. I'm making conversation here. So you see the idea. So once you do this, this is basically just going to be an automation. You could do the same thing here. Anyone know how to make a blog website? I know a great platform you can use that is for beginners. I have seen and heard many people talk about this platform. Would you like to see it? So you know I'm do do this by striking a conversation. come through here. So you get the idea where I'm going at. So these are the things that you want to do. You want to come through here, you want to search and just start messaging people. But you're not going to just boom and drop them like, hey, here's my affiliate link, sign up. Does anyone know how to make a blog? Now, if I look on here, people probably already responding to this person. I'm going to be like, I know a great platform you can use to start a blog for beginners. All right? Boom. Reply. I just do that. How to do a blog. Questions like these all day, every day. So you can come through here and you can get started right away. It's not going to require any money to start up. All it's going to do is your time. So the next website I'm going to share with you is a website that is called Cora. Cora is another great platform. I typed in how to create a blog, and these are different topics that come up. And Cora is a place where people go back and forth with questions. If people don't know how to do something, they'll post a question here, and people will come on here and answer. And then once they answer the question, then what they're going to do, they're going to write something nice like this right here. And they're going to write a nice little paragraph, and then they're going to insert their affiliate link at the end. So that's all you got to do. That's all you have to do is just put in the work. Now, once you put in the work, you can go out there and you could crush it. I know that you can go out there and you can make money with this method. So you can earn up to $65. And if you do it the right way, this is some fast cash, this is fast money that you can get. And then once you get in your PayPal, boom, you could just use it to start doing some spending money. But if you don't do the work, it's not going to happen for you. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and do remember to like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Let me know in the comments what you think about this video. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments as well. And looking for my #1 recommendation, check out the link in the description. I'll see you in the next video. My name is Andre. Peace.